Hi, I'm Sandra. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to create a garland on duplet technique. And then instead we use a group of 4 balloons or 5 balloons as a cluster. We're gonna use duplets, okay? We're gonna tie the string on my first duplet. Go make the 8 and tie. 1, 2, and 3. This is my first duplet, okay? That duplet was in place size 8 inches. Now I'm gonna add my second duplet, short string to control, knot, close to knot. I don't want you to do this. No, not that. They're gonna be closer, knot with knot. Check it out, our technique videos. Then I go around 1 and 2 and make the 8 like this, okay? Now let's look closer with the camera. Pay attention. I have here the line, okay? Now I'm gonna take my next duplet, my third duplet, I'm gonna put here. And then I press, I put the knot, close the knot, very close together. Go around 1, 2, and then I make the 8 to lock them on place like this. And then I have my third duplet. Be careful, because sometimes the string moving for here, for there, and you get confused. Control where your string is before you add your next duplet. Now, push and pull, close together, 1, 2, make the 8. Push and pull, 1, 2, make the 8. Push and pull, 1, 2, make the 8. We're gonna continue add our duplet, okay? Push and pull. Be sure what the position is. Okay, this is my position. 1, 2, make the 8. Organize them. Be sure they're on place. You see you're gonna have lines, and then the next one, push and pull, control, 1, 2, make the 8. We're gonna continue add until we finish, and then I'm gonna show you how to tie them. We almost finished to put our 26 duplets, and 1, 2, make the 8, 1, 2, make the 8. And my last one, 1, 2, make a 8. This is inflated to size 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. On the two sides, I have 13 duplets, 26 duplets, and 52 balloons. Section here, we have 26 duplets, 52 balloons. And the length inflate to size 8. And the length, it's gonna be around 8 feet tall, okay? And then when you inflate it, 26 duplets to size 8 and pack together, you're gonna have a column of 8 feet tall, okay? And then make the loop and tie. You should watching the videos of techniques, details about tying. That's gonna show better how to do it, okay? I'm gonna cut the excess and hide the another one. Here, 8 feet tall, see? It's very tall. Duplet technique is not very stable. For you use that, you always have to have the pipe using as a column, arch, or wall. I'm gonna fit the pipe inside here, just for you see it, okay? I'm gonna leave a little tip here. Then I push down, open a little bit, push down, and you're gonna hide them, and then you're gonna see they're gonna be stable, you know? And then you can put in your base, you have a nice color. It's amazing technique. That technique is very advanced. You can create advanced sculpture with that technique that you're gonna learn during the class. It's really amazing. The other thing you have to understand is when you finish, we're not gonna have a flat surface. In the end, it's gonna be like a zigzag. One balloon down, one up. They're not gonna be straight like the garland or square pack technique. I hope you like it.